Let us now understand what are the basic question and answers, okay, which the team exchange between themselves as well as the stakeholders, okay, in order to formulate the goal and determining the reasons for the project, okay. And once these questions are answered and they are recorded, okay, that will help the team to guide the project from start to finish. So, what are these questions? They are generally why, who, when, how, okay, such questions. So, to begin with, why is the project being initiated? The project stakeholders should discuss about it and agree upon the answer for this project because they are the people or the individuals who are affected by the project maximum. So they should answer it or decide upon why is the project being initiated and who is this work being done for. Is it for the company or is it for a specific client or is it for the general public? Okay, and who are the project sponsor and key stakeholders, okay, that might use the final product, service or result. It is very important. And the stakeholders are the people or the individual who are influenced or impacted by the project, as well as the sponsor is the one who will fund the project. Okay, so it is important. Who are they? Identify the stakeholders. Okay, what are we going to deliver? What is the end result which we are looking for by undertaking this project? Okay, and what is the work we need to complete by undertaking the project? What are we trying to achieve? And as you all know, we need resources and funds. So, what are the resources and funds we need to produce these deliverables? Because in order to undertake and deliver the project, we need fund and resources. So, what are the resources and funds we need? When will we produce these deliverables? What is the time frame? Okay, is it a incremental delivery or is it all at once, things like that? Okay, and as the project stakeholders are the individuals who are maximum impacted, they should be reviewing the results or they should be reviewing the deliverables. So when will the project stakeholders review them? What are the checkpoints? Okay, and once the stakeholders are happy, when will the project sponsor approve and accept the final project outcome? Because he is the authority to approve the deliverable. Okay, he will take concurrence from the project steering committee and higher authorities. But as far as the project is concerned, the project sponsor is the supreme authority. And where will these deliverables be used? Is it in a specific department or is it for the public or is it for a client? And how are we going to achieve the project's goal and objectives? What are the different tools or what are the ways or what should be devised? Okay. And finally, how will success be measured? Success is important as far as a project is concerned, and that is why we are employing project management. So, success measurement criteria. So, these are the basic questions, and answers to them will take us further through the project so that we can draft the project charter and get it approved. Okay, and I'll take you through some questions and answers through a real life projects in the next slides and sessions.